Social media growth starts with understanding that people do not follow businesses, they follow value. Most business owners spend too much time promoting products and not enough time helping their audience solve problems. Instead of posting endless sales messages, focus on creating useful content that answers common questions, shares practical tips, and teaches something valuable. Consistency matters more than perfection. A simple post published regularly can outperform expensive content created occasionally. Choose one primary platform and learn how it works before expanding to others. Study what your audience likes, comments on, and shares. Every piece of content should have a clear purpose, whether it is educating, entertaining, inspiring, or solving a problem. Strong headlines, simple visuals, and clear messages attract attention faster than complicated designs. Replying to comments and messages also increases visibility because social media platforms reward engagement. Think of every post as the beginning of a conversation, not a sales pitch. Businesses that build trust first often generate more customers over time because people prefer buying from brands they already know and respect. The goal is not collecting followers. The goal is building an audience that actually cares about what you offer. One of the fastest ways to grow a business on social media is by creating content that people want to share. Educational posts, short tutorials, behind-the-scenes stories, customer success examples, and industry insights often perform better than direct advertisements. Instead of talking about how great your business is, show how your products or services improve someone's life. Storytelling is extremely powerful because people remember stories more than facts. Share lessons learned, mistakes avoided, and challenges overcome. Video content is especially effective because it captures attention quickly and allows people to connect with your brand on a personal level. Keep messages simple and easy to understand. Avoid technical language whenever possible. Another important strategy is content repurposing. A single idea can become a video, a short clip, an image post, a carousel, and a text post. This saves time while increasing reach. Monitor your analytics regularly to discover what content performs best. When a post receives strong engagement, create more content around similar topics. Growth often comes from repeating successful content themes rather than constantly searching for completely new ideas every day. Successful businesses treat social media as a long-term relationship-building tool rather than a quick marketing shortcut. Many business owners quit too early because they expect immediate results. Real growth comes from showing up consistently, providing value, and staying visible over time. Collaborating with industry experts, influencers, partners, or complementary businesses can help introduce your brand to new audiences. Encourage customers to create content featuring your products or services because user-generated content builds trust and credibility. Strong calls to action are also important. Tell people exactly what to do next. Whether it is following your page, visiting your website, joining your email list, or sending a message. Focus on building a recognizable brand voice so your audience instantly understands what your business represents. Remember that attention is earned, not demanded. Every post should either educate, entertain, inspire, or help someone solve a problem. Businesses that consistently deliver value usually outperform competitors that only focus on selling. Social media success is not about going viral once. It is about creating a system that attracts attention, builds trust, strengthens relationships, and turns followers into loyal customers over the long term.